In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image outside of cells in Google Sheets. To get started, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and make sure you are on the sheet where you want the image to appear. This feature is useful when you want to place a logo, a reference image, or any visual element on top of your sheet without locking it inside a specific cell. Unlike an image placed in a cell, an image over cells can be moved around more freely, which gives you better control over your layout. Once your spreadsheet is open, go to the top menu bar and click on Insert. This will open a drop-down menu with several options you can add to your sheet. Take a moment here to move carefully because there are 2 image options in Google Sheets, and choosing the correct one matters for the result you want. In the Insert menu, hover over Image. A side menu will appear, showing different ways to add an image from there. Click on Insert Image over Cells. This is the option that places the image above the spreadsheet grid rather than inside a single cell. That means you'll be able to reposition it visually on the sheet after it's added. After you click that option, a pop-up window will appear asking where you want to get the image from. Google Sheets gives you several sources to choose from, including uploading a file from your device, using your camera, adding an image by URL, or selecting one from Google Photos, Google Drive, or Google Images. Choose the source that matches where your image is stored. Once you select your image source, follow the prompts in the window to locate the image you want to use. For example, if you are uploading from your computer, browse to the file and select it. If you are using Drive or Photos, find the correct image in your account. If you are using a URL, make sure the image link is valid and points directly to the image. When you've selected the image, click Insert, or depending on the source, Open or Select. Google Sheets will then place the image over the cells in your spreadsheet. At that point, you can click and drag it to reposition it wherever you need it on the sheet. That's all it takes to insert an image outside of cells in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.